CMC I did see some errors I want to address real quick. When we started subnetting, we identify the class A, B, C. That gives us our starting subnet mask. Start subnet mask. And then when we go to changing that, we then start to get the modified subnet mask. Subnet mask. And that's where we start to manipulate the subnet mask in order to give us a host range that we want. So where I saw the most errors were is when we had a class A, which we had the 255.0.0.0. We start there, and we're giving, I think, the IP of 10.1.1.0. So we start there, but once we have the IP address and the default subnet mask, we start to change that. I think that one needed like 50 users. So in order to get down to 50 users, we had to travel, I guess. Let's go, let's undo that. So we have 255.0. Actually, let's write this out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So then we're at our subnet mask. We have to get all the way down to something that fits 50 users, and I know that's over here because that's 128, and then this is 64. So I have to go all the way over there. My IP is still 10.1.1.0, but my subnet mask has now changed to 192. IP is the same, subnet mask has changed, because now each subnet now has 50 users, but my IP addressing is still the same. Same exact concept. Let me go menu, new, don't save. Same exact concept if we're going, from a class C, 192.168.1.0. We need to fit 510 people in it. So once again, I know it's 255, 255, 255, 255, 255, 255, but I need to fit 510. So now I need to modify my subnet mask by saying 255, 255, 254, one less, right? I got a /23. .0. So now I have 512 usable hosts because I moved over one spot. My IP stays the same, 192.168.1.0, but my subnet mask is now 255. 255.254.0. IP address is the same, subnet mask has changed. So make sure you take a look at practicing this concept. It will come up again, but make sure you practice this so you develop this. You guys know the concepts. You just need to clarify how to apply the concept in order to get a greater number.